let me fix this. Look, I was not planning on doing another video today, y'all. I promise you that. I'm so fucking heated right now. So I just posted a video like this afternoon, right? Talking about Shopkick. And somebody had posted on Instagram to check the announcements under notifications on Shopkick, right? And so I just posted that on my community tab. The first one, it says PayPal rewards are temporarily unavailable, but they give you the option to check out the Visa reward virtual account or whatever. And then if you go four tabs or slots down, it says they're offering, well, it says, hi Chanel, we're unable to award your recent Old Spice receipt due to reaching the limit of supplies. We want to make things right. 5,000 kicks are on the way this week, right? So I just posted this on my community tab saying like, oh, they're offering $20. Like, is that in lieu of what you're supposed to get? And like I said in my video earlier, a lot of you guys got a lot. Like, we got a lot. Like, even with the 10 that I got, there's no way in hell I would accept $20 rather than basically all of that back, right? Which would have been 17,000 kicks, right? So, or is that with the idea that we can take it back to the store and we'll get 5,000 for the inconvenience, right? So, so I posted that, and then one of you guys had commented that before you went to sleep, you had over 100,000, and then you woke up and you had extremely less than you did. And so it made me check, because earlier when I checked, because I checked earlier to see if I could get a Walmart gift card, and it went through, right? So I was like, okay, cool, at least that's working, right? I pinned a comment on my last video just to let you guys know that the gift card was working, at least for me and Walmart, it worked. And so I did go to CVS and did a deal. I saw Michelle posted a video that she got from Coupon Mode. So I was like, okay, cool, that's an awesome deal. I guess I could do that deal. So I went to CVS. This was after I recorded the video earlier, and I did it, right? And so I was like, okay, if it doesn't work out, I'll just return it, no big deal, right? And so I did it. So I did get the points back, or the kicks back for that, which was 9,000 kicks. I was like, to me, that was a good deal. And so after I did that, I still had 30,000 kicks, right? But mind you, I'm low-key waiting for PayPal to become available so that I can cash out for PayPal versus getting Walmart gift cards. And so I had 30,000, had 30K. I remember that I had 30K. And so then once she left that message, I checked. Something said, just check and see what you have. My shit refreshed, and I only had $13,000. Exactly 17,000 missing. Exactly. That was what I got for Old Spice. So I think that's shady as fuck of Shopkick. Shady as to do that, right? Like, you offer, and I get it, supply and demand, I get it, right? But don't like pay up and then reverse it, like start to backpedal. And I feel like that's what they're fucking doing right now. They're backpedaling because they underestimated how many of us was gonna fucking do that deal, right? Because it was such an awesome deal. Like, do they not know who we are? Do they not know us, right? And so now they're like, they don't want to pay. And so not only do they not want to pay, well, guess what? They're taking it back from those who they actually paid. And so check your account, you guys. I want to say do screenshots. Something told me to do a screenshot. Something told me after my 9,000 went through for CVS, something told me to do a screenshot, and I didn't. And so I put a ticket in. I said, hey, you know, I had 30K points this afternoon, and right now I only have X amount. And I said, I'm missing exactly 17,000. Is there a reason for that? That's what I said. And the thing is that they don't even put it in the activity like they like to tell you when you're getting stuff, but when they're pulling shit out, they don't want to tell you that, right? It's a secret, right? And so it's like, why not put it? Why not add that? Why not put that? Why? What? So we can't see? what you did. And so I'm so fucking heated right now. I'm so freaking heated. Like, it's going back. You know what, to be fucking honest, I feel like taking all this goddamn trust back just because of the principality of it. Like, I'm so freaking mad right now. I'm so freaking heated right now. It's not even funny. So those of you who did the Old Spice, check your accounts. I'm hoping they didn't take nothing from you, but it still shows that I got awarded the kicks for it. Shows in my activity that I got it, but it doesn't show that they took it out, but they dead ass took it out, like dead ass. So check your accounts, you guys. That's so shady. That's so shady right now. I'm so freaking heated right now. That Old Spice is going back to the damn store tomorrow. I'm not even joking. It's freaking going back to the store tomorrow. Like, I'm so mad right now. I'm so freaking mad right now. I honestly feel like I haven't been this mad about one of the apps in a long time, but I'm so freaking mad right now. So, I'm gonna try to get this video posted up for you guys as soon as I can. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, of course. Like I said, check your freaking counts. And the thing is that really irritates me too, is that it's like right after all of us were freaking doing this, we were killing this freaking deal, killing this Old Spice deal. Then they cut off freaking PayPal, right? They cut it off. And then they cut off all the other gift cards. So we couldn't even cash out. So like literally I couldn't cash out again until after I posted the video for you guys. That's when I checked and it was available for me. Oh my gosh, I'm so freaking mad. That's so freaking shady. That is so freaking shady. We all went out and we freaked that deal. That deal. And then they cut off us not being able to cash out. Or they cut out PayPal. Then they cut out all the other gift cards. I'm so freaking mad. I'm so freaking heated right now. Old Spice is going back. You know, honestly, the thing is it's crazy because I've been on a vacation from selling. So, like, I couldn't imagine if, like, I had sold it. If I had sold it already, then I would have just been asked out. Because I literally was just about to list that stuff this morning. Dead ass. I was going to list that stuff this morning at the gym. And I didn't. And I was going to list it tomorrow morning. And if I had listed it and sold it, because deodorant sells good, especially Old Spice, if I would have sold it, I would have been straight passed out. And I would have lost money because I'm not selling for full price, right? So I would have totally lost out. But check you guys' accounts, man. Do screenshots. I'm so freaking mad. I put a ticket in. I'm gonna see what they say, but I'm taking it back. As simple as that. I'm so freaking irritated right now. I'm so fucking irritated right now. I did have 13,000 kicks right now. 13,000, and I had 30. I had 30 plus. I'm missing exactly 17,000. Go figure. Go figure. Hell, I'm so fucking mad right now. I'm so irritated. Let's see if it lets me cash out right now. I'm so irritated right now. I'm so fucking irritated at myself. But I know a lot of us was waiting for PayPal to become available to cash out. I know a lot of us were. And that's what I was doing. I was just waiting for PayPal to become available. Last time it went down, it was only down for like a few days. And so I was for sure that it would come back up soon. Oh, I'm so irritated, you guys. I'm so mad at myself. I'm taking it all back. I'm taking that shit back. I'm not even joking, y'all. Please excuse the fact that I have on sweats because I wasn't dressed. And I threw on a shirt. I'm taking this shit back. Don't get it twisted. This shit is going back to the store. It's gotta happen. I don't have a choice. Oh my god, I'm so mad. Oh my god. Let's see if it lets me cash out though. Oh, I'm so freaking irritated. I gotta take back the nope, it reversed. It didn't work. I just cashed out and it went right back to my account. See? They've been playing. Shopkick is playing games right now, y'all. They are playing games. Watch. I'm gonna show y'all right now. Look. I have 13. Can you see it? Okay. 13,900, right? Congratulations. See, I have 14,000. 1,400. Okay, you see that? And then when I close it, they are fucking playing games right now. Gotta be kidding me, man. I'm so irritated with Shopkick right now. And I know one of you guys had left a really nice, detailed comment. I'll post it up right here. A really detailed, I really appreciated it. About a lot of these companies, you know, switching over to using more AI and just not expecting us to, like, they underestimate what, like they underestimate the promotions that they run, all right? And then, yeah. I'm so irritated right now. Look, let's back up. It's not even working right now. I'm so fucking heated right now. I'm gonna get this video up for you guys though. So I'm so irritated right now. I'm so mad right now.